welcome at LATYKA B&B.
Hi, I'm Muriel and welcome to another Quazy Ride. And in this video we want to highlight LATYKA, another cool biker stop.
Hi, welcome at LATYKA B&B in the Belgian Ardennes Rollerfield. My name is Esther.
My name is Fred.
LATYKA calls itself the most cozy B&B in the Ardennes, the Belgian Ardennes, because it's situated in the village of Robertville, close to Malmedy. So, an ideal location if you also want to visit some Battle of the Bulge museums, like the Bonnier 44, which is also in our Battle of the Bulge tour if you're interested. LATYKA has a few double and twin rooms and some extra beds if you don't mind sharing a room, all rooms with shared facilities, and they have an outside bar for the warmer days. And an inside bar for the cooler days. And although it is called a B&B, you can have your dinners here. And in the weekends, if there's enough people here, they do barbecues.
You're welcome to visit us.
We've got news because from next year, hopefully, they will have their own beer. LATYKA honey triple beer. For now, we have to do with the other beers that they have. They have lots of beer. So if you like this video, hit that like button. And if you don't want to miss all the other videos on cool biker stops, best European roads and all the other fun, consider subscribing to the channel.